Top 5 Healthiest Vegetables. In this video, we are going to delve into the top 5 healthiest vegetables that may not only boost your overall health but also aid in weight loss. The importance of focusing on polyphenols and prebiotic soluble fiber, rather than just the nutritional labels, is highlighted when assessing the health benefits of these vegetables. Fennel. This fiber-rich vegetable, a cousin of the carrot family, is known for its slightly licorice taste. Fennel is incredibly versatile. It can be thinly sliced and added to salads, chopped up and cooked, or grilled for a delicious flavor. Don't overlook this vegetable at the grocery store, as it's packed with gut-friendly fiber. Cabbage. A staple in many diets for centuries, cabbage is a nutrient-dense vegetable that boasts a high polyphenol content. Darker cabbage varieties offer even more health benefits. Cabbage can be used in numerous ways, including eating raw in salads, cooking, fermenting, and making sauerkraut. It's an easy addition to your diet that provides a significant nutritional punch. Chicory family. Radicchio, Belgian endive, and frisee. These inulin-containing vegetables are excellent for gut health and are a common component of Italian and French salads. Inulin is a prebiotic fiber that promotes healthy gut bacteria. Tricolorate salad, made with radicchio, Belgian endive, and arugula, is a prime example of a healthy and delicious dish that incorporates these vegetables. Arugula. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with polyphenols and is an excellent addition to salads. Despite being low in calories and protein, arugula offers numerous health benefits, including cancer prevention. It's also a great way to incorporate olive oil into your diet, which it is essential for overall health. Kale. This nutrient-rich, cruciferous vegetable is available in various forms and can be added to salads, cooked, or roasted. However, it's essential to consume kale in moderation due to its potential thyroid-suppressing effects. If you're adding dark green leafy vegetables like kale to your diet, do so gradually to avoid gastrointestinal issues. We also stress the importance of choosing organic leafy greens when possible and utilizing the whole plant for maximum nutritional benefits. For example, beet greens are often discarded but are, in fact, delicious and nutritious when sautéed or used in soups. Remember, adding these vegetables to your diet can offer numerous health benefits, and it's crucial not to rely solely on nutritional labels to determine their value. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content on healthy eating and lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching.